Ever find yourself feeling like your meals are missing that little extra something? Well, today we're diving into the flavorful universe of homemade flavored salts. You won't believe how easy it is to turn a basic dish into a 5-star masterpiece with just a sprinkle of these bad boys. By the end, you'll be ready to impress your foodie friends and have DIY enthusiasts begging for your secret recipes. Let's jump right in because boring food has got to go. Understanding flavored salts. So what exactly are flavored salts and why should you care? Well, picture this. Your regular old sea salt infused with garlic, herbs, chili, or even citrus zest. Yeah, you heard that right. Salt doesn't have to be bland. Think of it as your secret weapon for taking meals from made to mouth-watering. You can make garlic salt, herb salt, smoked salt. The possibilities are endless. And here's a little secret. Experimenting is half the fun. Psst, don't worry, there's no salt police. Wait, did I just hear someone say, but isn't it just salt? Yeah, I know you're thinking it. But hang tight because these recipes will change how you see salt forever. Imagine chili lime seasoning on your popcorn or a lemon zest kick in your roasted chicken. Intrigued? Thought so? Now, let's talk ingredients. You're gonna need a good base, either sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. Yep, the fancy stuff. Then grab fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and maybe some spices like chili powder or paprika. Oh, and citrus zest? That's where things get real fancy, my friend. Trust me, fresh ingredients make all the difference. No shortcuts, or the flavor gods will know. Once, I made a chili lime salt that was so good, my neighbor came over just to ask what smelled so amazing. True story, she ended up leaving with a jar of it and a handful of recipe ideas. So yes, your kitchen can become legendary with these flavored salts. Step-by-step recipes with a twist. Alright, time to get cooking. First up, garlic herb salt. Mix minced garlic and dried herbs with your salt base. Easy, right? Next, let's spice things up with chili lime salt. Combine chili powder and lime zest for that tangy, spicy hit. Finally, lemon zest salt for those who love a bright, zesty finish. Simple, quick, and totally game-changing. You'll have your guests wondering, what is this magic? Wait, before you get too excited and start flavoring your entire pantry, why not hit the subscribe button? You know, so you don't miss more genius ideas like this. Seriously, go ahead, I'll wait. Done. Great, now let's keep spicing things up. So now you got these amazing salts, what next? Well, sprinkle them on everything from meats and veggies to even popcorn. Yep, you read that right. And don't stop there. Try using them in your baking or even cocktails. A margarita with chili lime salt? Yes, please. These salts are the secret ingredient you didn't know you needed, but now you won't be able to live without. Trust me. But wait, before you go dumping salt into your coffee, let's not get too wild, alright? Stick to the delicious stuff like roasted potatoes or grilled steak. Phew! Just saved you from a salty disaster. Now, how do you keep your homemade flavored salts as fresh as your ideas? Easy. Store them in airtight containers and make sure to label them because no one wants to confuse garlic salt with chili lime salt. They can last up to 6 months, long enough to keep your taste buds happy. Just don't forget the dates. Salt may not expire, but those delicious ingredients sure do. Truly amazing. Homemade flavored salts that will have you looking like a kitchen wizard. Elevate your dishes, impress your friends, and maybe even cause a bit of food envy. If you like this video, hit that like button, share with your fellow foodies, and subscribe for more deliciously fun content. Until next time, stay salty in the best way possible.